Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve network problem on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll, not so much tool connection and sharing, just click on it. After you have been click on it again, you have to scroll, then here you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So click on it. When you click on it, click on reset setting and click on OK. When you click on OK, in 3 seconds or 5 seconds, the problem will be solved on your mobile phone. The Wi-Fi problem too, even the mobile data and Bluetooth will be solved. Okay, even the network problem too. So if it doesn't solve, then you can give me a comment on comment section, and if it happens, then if it doesn't happens too, I'll try to help you. So you just tell me the problems. Okay, and friends, please subscribe the channel and like the video channel. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.